$4,000 in the next 7 minutes buying the most useless looking tech on the internet to find out if it really is as stupid as it looks or if there's actually hidden genius lying within. This computer tech. I wonder if these companies know that they're paying for ads to come up when people type in useless tech. Oh no, CenterCam. I just realized what this is. So someone's built a webcam to sit in the middle of your screen so that you can have direct eye contact with whoever you're calling. This just feels like the most ridiculous form of over-engineering to fix a problem that no one really has. Oh, we can either get the camera or we can get the deluxe package, which includes a lens privacy cover. Then you can cover up your very poor purchase decisions. But all that said, I am actually curious now. Stupid. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, wow. Yes, I can.
Okay, 1 second. So I've got a little lighting fixture over here that comes with it. How do I look?
It's better than not having it.
So what's the quality like on your end?
Well, the quality is not good. It's purple. It's...
Wait, this is so embarrassing. Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay. So the question is, so am I making direct eye contact with you if I kind of... Oh, actually, no. So I suppose the way I meant to do it is bend this camera so it's over your face. And now